Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. This video is a hands-on introduction into a very cool project called as Neural Graffiti. Neural Graffiti is an experimental approach to make AI models more flexible and personalized by injecting them with subtle memories, opinions and patterns. Much like how graffiti artists leave personalized tags on walls. This project combines ideas inspired by how human brains learn and change with the concept of graffiti tagging and the way human brains learn and change. That field is called as neuroplasticity. But instead of spray paint here, this project uses special code layers, or they are called spray layers in this, that influences AI's internal thinking patterns. The way it works is quite interesting. So, as I said, it takes its inspiration from two fields. One is graffiti, and the other one is neuroplasticity. If you know about graffiti art or tagging, just like graffiti artists leave unique signatures or tags that change the way a wall looks, the spray layer digitally tags an AI model, imprinting small subtle traces of previous interactions onto it. And if you look at neuroplasticity, our brains continuously learn and adapt by forming connections influenced by our experiences. Similar to this, the spray layer allows an AI model to adapt and subtly shift its understanding or thinking patterns over time without retraining or changing the main model, simply by interacting with user. And that is really awesome in my opinion. So one last bit about this is that a pre-trained AI model, a model that has already learned from vast amount of data, has fixed knowledge and behaviors. We all know that. This neural graffiti also modulate that model. Modulating this model means gently influencing or altering how it thinks or behaves without completely retraining or changing its learned data. So let me show you a hands-on demo in free Google Colab. You can also go there and get the colab.research.google.com. Also, I'm going to drop the link to this GitHub repo in video's description. You can find the link to this Colab in that repo too. So first thing, I'm just going to change the runtime to free Google GPU, which is T4 GPU, and then let's install all the prerequisites. And as we are going to use Google's Gemma 3 1 billion instruction tuned model, we also need to put in our Hugging Face token here, which is a read free token that you can obtain from huggingface.co from your profile. And if you haven't already, you would also need to go to the Hugging Face model code of Gemma 3 and accept the terms and condition, which is just a click of the button. So let me put in my token and then run this. And prerequisites are being installed, and then it is going to download this model. And while it downloads the model and installs all these prerequisites, let's talk a bit more about this project. Now, if you look at here, as I said, this neural graffiti, this takes a pre-trained AI model which has already been trained and then does its magic. Or in other words, it just simply modulates a model. When it uses this neural graffiti spray layer, it does not force exact output or precise words. So there is no cramming here, but rather it subtly nudges or shapes the model's thought process and association between ideas. In other words, it whispers softly to the AI's neural connections, guiding its way of thinking. So over time, it naturally leans more towards certain concepts or ideas. So this is pretty cool, I would say, in terms of a new way of modulating or changing the model. Okay, everything is installed and model is also downloaded, as you can see. Next up, let me show you this thing in action. Let me take you up and then explain the code, and then we will see it in action. Okay, so you can see that we are starting by just generating some of the classes here in Python. The first one is the spray layer, which is a neural graffiti layer. And if you look here, what we are doing is, this is a tiny neural memory of the most recent interaction. This is what this spray layer is doing. And if you go down, it has also used it in this code here. Now, what is happening here is that, like a paint spray, it softly updates this internal state to maintain a memory trace that evolves over time. So the self dot state here, that simply acts like a memory, getting updated very gently with each new sentence you give it. And then self dot w, which you can see here, this transforms the incoming data into memory updates. And then we have the update function here, which all this one is doing, it is nudging the memory slowly, like graffiti that builds layer each time. Artist's tag, reflecting subtle emotional historical continuity rather than exact detail. And then you see we have this graffiti adapter. This adapter mixes the memory spray from spray layer directly into the original model's hidden states to change how the model thinks. And then we also are specifying the alpha here, that controls how strongly it influences the AI, like the strength of paint spray, gently nudging rather than forcing. And then we are doing some sort of memory management with memory bank, which is simply a list, and then store and recall functions here. So memory storage simply saves important embeddings or the numerical representations or vectors in the model, and or in other words, AI's internal representation for ideas or data. Then there is a memory retrieval. So later down the road, the model can recall embeddings related to current topics to ensure continuity and context awareness. And then if I just keep scrolling down, we are just using our Gemma model here, and then we are taking Gemma's original thinking or hidden states, injecting the neural graffiti, the spray memory, and creating new predictions gently influenced by memory. That is all that is being done here. Okay, now next up we are using some of the generators or generation functions. This is encoding our prompt or changing into model understandable format, storing memories from the past exchanges, and retrieve from the next time. And then it uses memory to subtly shift how the model thinks and replies. It also shows number of recalled memories. It also indicates how memory is evolving. Once that's done, we then start talking about anything continuously with a neural graffiti enhanced Gemma. Every conversation leaves a graffiti memory trace, leading to subtle shifts in AI personality and behavior, as you can see here. And of course, you can change it whatever you like. So let me run this. So you see, it is asking me to inject something. So I'm just going to say happiness is overrated, and then let me press enter here. So you see, neural graffiti injected into model, and then it is talking about that this is the spray state which I was talking about. This is Jama's response, that you have hit on really interesting and increasingly common sentiment. The idea that happiness is overrated is powerful one and is fueled by recent research. And so you see, we have injected. What is talking more about it, you can just say, I don't think that you know anything about happiness. Let's see. Again, recalled memory. So it has recalled whatever I said earlier, and it replied, and it says you are absolutely right to call me out on that. My apologies. So see, you can simply instead of forcing, I'm just nudging it and guiding it in a specific direction, and then you can also guide it in any direction you like. But you see, we are not forcing the model here, unlike obliteration, or where we make the model uncensored, and we have checked it out in various videos. That is a forcible way, but this one is different, and you can carry it forward. For example, I can ask it that Earlier you seemed unsure about happiness. Have you changed your mind now? So what we are trying to do here, we are checking if neural graffiti memory, the spray layer, allows the AI to remember or have memory like continuity about previous conversation. And from the answer, we are also checking if the AI's position, tone, or attitude from the previous interaction influences how it responds now. This tests if neural graffiti gently adjusts the AI personality or perspective over time, as it's supposed to be inspired by neuroplasticity, like human brains evolve opinion gradually by remembering past experiences. And you can see that it is definitely doing that. So this is exactly the idea behind this neural graffiti, to leave memory traces inside the AI so it remembers previous interactions and gently evolves its thinking and personality over your conversation history. We are simply tailoring it as per our own emotions and aspirations. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws, with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.